So you are welcome to this tutorial class, and simply I just want to introduce you to designing a form using Visual Basic. So the first thing is to launch your Visual Basic. If you don't have it on your desktop, you search for it. So I have mine here. So you launch it by just clicking on it. All right. Once it opens this way, then you come to new project. You open new project like this. Once this interface opens to you, you select window form. Once you select your window form, then you come to name here. You can give it a name. Let's say tutorial 1. Okay, tutorial 1. Then you click OK. All right, you can see that the form is opened, and you can decide to drag it so that it will become bigger. You can drag it this way and make it bigger. Now when you look at the toolbar here, or the toolbox here, you will see that everything we need in order for us to design, they are here. We have your button, you have your checkbox, you have your checked list box, you have your combo box, and the rest, your labels, everything is here. So let's simply say we want to design a form for, let's say, addition. So the first thing we are going to pick is our label. Okay, and you can pick this by either you drag it in like this, or you just double tap and it will come. Okay, now you come to this particular place here under property. This is where you are going to increase the font. You can increase the font, you can change the name. Under label, you can see label here. So just click on the label, change the name. Okay, delete what is there. Let's say add. All right, or let's say number 1. Want to put number. Let's say number 1. All right, then you press enter. If you don't press enter, it will not change in this place. Now once you press enter, it changes to this place. You have been able to put the label here. Now you can increase the font by locating font here. You can see font, click on the font, and then you'll be able to change the font by clicking that dot sign there. Then let's increase the font to, let's say, 26. All right, okay, press OK. You can see now that it's bolder. All right, now let's pick another label. We can pick another label, do the same thing. You can increase the font. You can do any one first. Either you increase the font first, or you change the label first. Anyone can be done first. Just make sure that you know what you are doing. Now let's go to label and change the name to number 2. All right, don't forget to press your enter. Then because you are designing, you have to align and make it look nice. Okay, now which other label are we adding for now? Okay, let's just add the title. Let's add the title, and our title is addition of numbers. So let's label this addition of numbers. Press enter. All right, you can go and increase the font as usual. Okay, let's take, because this one is a title, let's take it to 28. Press OK. All right, and the position is good like this because it's capturing everything that is here. Now what else are we going to add? We are going to add our text box where the numbers will be displaying. So you locate text box and you drag. I have told you can either drag or you double click. All right, so let's go and increase the font as usual. Let's increase the font of this box. Let's take it to 26. Okay, now you can see you can now drag and expand it if we like, then align it. That blue line that you are seeing is showing that is aligned, so you leave it that way, horizontally align. If you want to check vertical alignment, let's do the second one. We can align the two vertically. All right, you can as well duplicate. You can just copy and then you paste. You can copy and paste, then you can just align. Okay, you can see the vertical and the horizontal alignment. So this particular box now is vertically aligned and horizontally aligned. All right, now we are going to pick our addition button. It's going to be a button because we are adding. So you do the same thing, you drag. Let's say we put it here. All right, so we'll go and put the name. Put the name there. Adding button, so we put add, and then all right. Okay, so let's put clear. Let's put clear or end. Either we put clear or end, which is going to be a button also. So let's do the same thing. All right, so we name it, put the text, the name there, put it as clear. Okay, let's put it here. Let's put it as clear. Enter. Okay, let's make sure that this thing align. Okay, on both sides. This is how you design. This is just a simple design for addition of numbers. Now, if you want to run the code, how do you run the code? Let's quickly try that. So you come to this button here, add button, then you double click. It will take you to this particular place. So all you need to do is to say, oh, sorry, there is something we are missing. Before this place, there is something we are missing. Let's go back. Where will the results be? We've not given the text box for the result. So let's go back and put the result. So we are going to design the result, the box for the results now. So let's do the label. The same thing, let's go and change it. Okay, let's put, you can put result. Enter. So you can as well increase the font. Let's say the same font, 26. All right, make sure it is aligned. Good. Now we are going to add the text box too, where the result will be displayed. So we do that also here. You can increase the font as well. Let's pick 26 also. Then you drag and align. Okay, don't worry. I'm going to drag this one down. And also this one. Okay, you have to be reasonable when you are designing. So basically this is how you do your design. So running the code is what we are going to do in our next video. So stay tuned in order for you to get how to add code to what we have designed. So basically I've just showed you how you can design a simple form for addition of numbers. Thank you. See you in the next video.